like hourly deals or whatnot, and this popped up in an hourly deal. This device right there, I'm not going to show too much yet, but it popped up. It made sense for a video, and I'm low-key excited. It retails for $19.99, but I paid $4.99 in a sale, in an hourly sale. So we're going to be taking a look at the Mahadi. It's an MP3 player. I grew up with iPods, MP3 players. I had a Sansa clip. I had a Walkman. I grew up with these, the Nanos. I have this one. I have these are my originals. I have these. These right here are my originals. My what is this? The 6th gen. And yes, they work. I don't think they have a. Oh, this one works. This one has water damage because I left it in my pocket pants. You can kind of tell it has water damage. I left it in my pants and I threw it to the wash. Same thing with this one. I threw it to the wash, but this one was in my jacket and it survived. And it still has. It keeps a charge. Like, bro, it still has my music in it, I think. Oh, yeah, it has my music in it and everything. So we'll put those right there. This one I bought secondhand, but yeah, I grew up with this one and the 5th gen, the one with the little camera. And I don't really use these too much. These are the ones that I'm dailying at the moment. Daily driving at the moment. This is my outside, everywhere kind of iPod. I take this everywhere with me. It has music, it has whatever on it. This one's my at-home iPod. I keep really good care of this. It's the U2 edition. So, we have that one. And my main one, I literally don't care too much about this. I just keep it in my pocket or in my jacket pocket or whatever. And I use it to play music and podcast and whatnot. And I could do audiobooks, but I haven't. But yeah. We have that one, and now we have the Mahadis to add to the collection. I am kind of excited because it only had one like really pixelated JPEG picture of it. Oh, no way. Hold on. Here's the nugget. We'll put it right there. What else is in it? Oh, God. I'm super excited. I haven't opened an MP3 player in a while, as you guys can tell. What is inside it? Micro USB and the little... Oh, I know what these are. Oh, I know exactly what these are. These are the Dirty Birds. Oh, no. Hold on. This bag does not want to open. Bro. Oh, there we go. The Dirty Buds. Oh, I haven't seen these in forever. The last Apple device that had these that I remember was my iPhone 4. Oh, these nasty ass Dirty Buds. Oh, the actual cable feels so thin. It's not even worth it, but let's see if you guys can hear that. Hold on. Let me put them together so you guys can. You guys hear that? That's hollowness. That's quality. Oh no. It's not even gold plated. Come on, Mahadis. Not even gold plated. It's like this wasn't meant for me. Alright, let's move all that. I'm not even gonna open this. Oh, if it's already open. Oh. Never mind. I guess I will. It's just micro USB. Cable seems decent condition. I have like 6 of these already, so nothing crazy. But here is the actual player, looking good. It has weight to it. I'm surprised. Hold on, let me grab my original one to. Okay, it has more weight. It feels heavier. This feels heavier than this one. Let's rip her right open. From what I saw in the listing, it seemed like a good device. It didn't have reviews at the moment. I don't know if it has reviews now, because it did take it said 2-day delivery, but it took like 3 because we had like a snowstorm. But powered by that top, that's pretty cool. I peeped that real quick, and I think that's where the SD card goes, and micro USB. What is that? Oh, it's like a lanyard. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's like a lanyard to put your little thing. Oh, and it's a microphone. Ooh, USB as well. And in the back it says My Mahadi DC 5 volts, made in China. We That's super cool. Oh, it has. Oh, it could tell the time. We're in 2021. No, we're not. No, we are definitely not in 2021. This. Let me see. Does mine have a charge? I don't even know. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You guys just saw that, right? This one just turned on. Oh, no. We're gonna need to power. Oh, it's. Oh. Yeah. Okay, let me see this one. This one's cool. Look at that. Oh, I'm so used to going with this one. You just go like that. It's like touch controls. This one you actually have to click it. So music, video, radio, photos, record, text. Who's gonna be reading an ebook on this? Explore, tools, and set. Wait, aren't tools and settings the same thing? Tools. Oh, okay. Wait, what did I? I'm trying to. Bro, these controls are not it. Look at this one. Video. Wanna go back? Yeah, these are way better. Way better. Okay. Go back. Oh. Okay, this is to control calendar. Okay, that's a decent looking calendar. You go back. Oh, bottom is for back, not menu. Okay, that's weird. Stopwatch. Ooh, that's actually a. Okay, so it's bottom. Alarms. Oh, you can set actual alarm. No way, you could add your own. What's the embedded ringtone? Ooh, I want to know now. Let's go back. Settings. What's in settings? Language, lenguaje. Sleep timer, display settings, date and time. What's in information? Ooh, player information. Model number M230. That's actually cool. Disk space. Oh, right. Hold on, let me go back. Format device, format settings. No. Oh, it's not. It's this. Okay, got it. It doesn't have any memory whatsoever. At least this one has 8 gigs. And yeah, this one's screen is a lot better. I have my music from, we can go to songs. I have my music on here. I'll randomly pick something. That's Romeo. We can do, I don't know who else. Ooh, Prince Royce. I like me some Prince Royce. That's Prince Royce. So we'll leave that right there. I think I have an SD card. There we go. The trusted SanDisk. How does it go in? So I have this. I preloaded this with music. Is it like that? Or is it the other way? Oh, definitely. Wait. Nope. It is the other way. That was correcto. Okay. It has this screen protector on it. Oh, let me take this off. This is horrible. Oh, wait. Will this screen protector fit? Oh, let's see. Oh, yeah, it fits. Flush. Yeah, I'm gonna take that off later. Okay, now that it's loaded, see my music loads. Oh god, the controls on this is janky. No playlist found. Artists? No playlist found. What does that mean? Hold on. Playlist. No playlist. Okay, music does not want to load. I loaded it up with music and videos. Maybe the video will play. No playlist found. What is... The radio, I know that's gonna work, but I need... If I'm sure it uses the headphones as an antenna, we're not gonna do that. I didn't load any photos. We have record, text. Click on explore. See what the... Oh. Did it load? Oh, it loaded my stuff because it says PSP-EMU. Okay. Go to music. Will it load? Ooh, It does. Ooh, it has no speaker though. That's the one thing. I don't. You know what? We will listen to the Dirty Buds. Dirty Buds, real quick. See how the quality is on them. Them high res. Oh god. They feel so oh no. They have playback. Oh god. It's not even. Oh, that's terrible. If you guys. Oh god, that's. Look at this. Oh, I gotta take these off. Oh, that is horrible. No, these are terrible. But look at this. That was terrible. How do you turn up the volume? No, I don't want a variable. Pause. Can I pause it? Yeah, these are. Oh god, take these off. Get these off me. The worst sounding headphones I've ever heard. Like, if you need a good pair of headphones, get these. The AirPod ones, 10 times better. Here's the device, but I'm gonna give it one more go at the listening. I'm gonna put on some better headphones. Way better. I have they're not cheap. People try to tell you they're cheap. These are not cheap. The cost Porta Pros are going into the nug really quickly. Arming the nug. Oh no, my mouse. Okay. They're on. It's on. Let's get to music in. Is that right? Oh no. But how do you do volume? I want more volume. Or is that the most it can go? Because I click here. I click, obviously, volume. Well, volume is just back. I just have to, like, click both? Double click? I don't know. Menu? Because menu does have sound. So what's in play mode? Oh, that's just music. No, this is for... I go on sound. I go on equalizer. That's just equalizer. That's variable speeds, but like I want just volume up. I don't know. But alright, let me pause that. Okay. Grab my iPod. Plug that in. Oh yeah, automatically. Okay, that's all I needed to hear. Is this MP3 player, this iPod Nano 4th Gen clone, worth it for $4.99 or even for $19.99, the price that I paid for? It sounds okay. Would I recommend you get one? If you have $5, why not? If you're just gonna throw the money away, why not get it? If you have $20, buy yourself lunch. Get something else. Don't get this. Oh wait, I almost forgot. Hold on, go back. Damn it, I hate these controls. We're in Explorer, right? Yeah. I put a movie, a video format on here. It should be able to play it. Because I grew up when these were like really really popping back in the day, like the fake iPod Nanos. And I remember people on the corner, whenever they sold them, they would like show off the video capabilities. It can play movies and music videos, and they'd play the same fucking song all the time, same music video. It would be Akon, Smack That with Eminem. I don't know why. Multiple times I remember vividly seeing them play that. I don't know if this video is gonna play, but oh, it plays! No way! Oh, that's so cool. Hold on. Get the cause in the Pro. Okay. What? It can play video. Really washed out, but it can play video. Hold on, let me skip forward. Oh, you can. Ooh. Smack that. Okay, yeah, for 20 bucks, even for $4.99, worth it. That just solidified it. It's worth it. Like, it can play video. Not great video, but it can play video. Look at that. It's playing video. I mean, mind you, my janky iPod can also play video, but it just can't hold a charge. My Fortune just does not hold a charge. What? I have no videos. What is going on? Oh, yes I do. Bam. That's video quality on that. This is video quality on this. Mr. Funkland. Yeah, it looks a lot better, a lot more crisp on this. But, yeah. I'd say go. Go ahead. It's a go. For me, it's a go. Y'all can just use it. But, super cool device. And yeah, I will catch you guys. These are horrible. God, I still hear it in my ears. Alright, peace out.